Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Motel 6 College Station, TX, Bryan. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. In Southeast Texas, this College Station Motel is a 10-minute drive from George Bush Presidential Library and Museum. It features an outdoor pool and guest laundry facilities. A flat-screen TV with cable is in every room at Motel 6 College Station, Bryan. Free local calling is also provided. Pets stay free at the College Station, Bryan Motel 6. The front desk is staffed 24 hours a day and has fax and copy services. Texas A&M University is a 5-minute drive from the motel. Texas World Speedway is 7 miles away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.